Hello, my name's Amanda, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Doc that looks like a newsletter with columns and a pretty sweet header with a graphic and some text. So this is the sample that I've already made. I'm going to go ahead and open up a blank Google Doc, and the first thing I'm going to do is just come right up to Table, Insert Table, and I'm going to choose 2 columns and 2 rows to make a 2 by 2 table. So you see it's inserted the table for me, and the next thing I'm going to do is just highlight my first 2 cells here and go to Table and Merge Cells. That way I have one large section for my header. Now I've already copied some sample text, so I'm just going to paste it right into here, and you'll notice that it pastes the text in for me pretty nicely. You can go in and make any changes to the text as you'd like, but this looks pretty good for me. The next thing I want to do is remove the black border here for my header. So what I'm going to do is just click inside my header, and I'm going to come up top to the More button where I get some more options. So you'll see if I hover over this, this is my border color. And if I hover over this, this is the background color. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these cells for my header to make them look a little more appealing. So I'm going to just choose this color. And I'm going to do the same thing for the border, but I'm going to match that color so it appears as if the black line has disappeared. The last option I'm going to do is insert a picture for my header, and I'm going to put in some text. So I'm just going to come up to Insert, Image, and right now I'm on the search feature. If you already have something in your drive or on your computer, you can upload it. I'm just going to search. So I've already typed in flower. I'm going to choose this option right here and hit select. Now you'll notice that it comes in pretty large, so I'm just going to click on the image and just shrink it down to an appropriate size. And you'll see that my header stretches with the size of my image. So we'll make it just a little smaller. You can center your text if you'd like. The image will move over as you add text. So I'm just going to change my font size, something a little larger, and I'm going to change my font to something a little more fun. And we'll just type sample text. And you can see how that image is moving over. If you want it to move over more to the left, you can also add some spaces in here, and that'll just kind of center everything out a little bit more. I would also probably make this text just a little bit larger. Yeah, that's much better. You'll notice that my sample text down below in my columns has now run onto a second page. So I can either go ahead and change the size of my text, or sometimes what I like to do is just change my page margins. So you can come up here to File, Page Setup, and I'll just change the top and bottom to a 0.5. And you'll notice that everything should fit the page pretty nicely. So there we go, just one page of that. So the last and final thing that you'll want to do if you haven't done it already is just name your document. So I'm just going to name it Sample Text and hit OK. And that's it. Now you have a Google Doc that resembles a newsletter with 2 columns of text and a great header up top. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.